The 1946 Volkswagen Type 1, famously known as the Beetle, represents the true beginning of the car's civilian success story following World War II. After the British military government took control of the Wolfsburg plant, series production of the civilian model began in late December 1945, with 1946 being its first full year of manufacture.